Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Right now guys, I want to actually talk about how you can actually start up a business or start up anything right now in 2023, how you can actually make money, how to make money online in 2023 without investments, best ways to actually make money online without investments in 2023 this year. With that being said, in 2023 and beyond. Yes guys. So with that being said guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video on how you can actually do this. I have five methods, five things you can actually start, and these are actually skills. These are skills you can actually start, learn for them. You can actually learn. There are actually free videos, free courses. I'm just going to be listing them out for you, talking a little bit about it. Then you go get free courses, watch videos about it, and start it for yourself and start making cool cash for yourself every single month, day in, day out, week in, week out, and monthly, yearly, annually, so on and so forth. And you make a whole lot of cash for yourself, and even at the side. Yeah. So with that being said, guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video, guys. All right. So welcome back, guys, and right now, I would actually jump into the first one on my list. This is actually YouTube. Now I'm going to be elaborating on it very, very much and quite a bit, how you can actually make money using or literally on YouTube, guys. So first of all, guys, YouTube is actually this video company you can actually start up for yourself for free. And starting up a YouTube channel is actually free. Just when you have a Gmail address, literally you already have a YouTube channel. Just go to your YouTube app or the web on your PC, on your browser or anything, and you can literally just go to youtube.com and or you go to the mobile app, download the app on Google Play Store or on Apple App Store, and just download the app, go to your channels, put in your any name which you want to actually use as your channel name, put in your banner, channel art banner, your channel profile picture, about section, fill in some things, and then you start making videos for yourself, literally. Yes guys, and right now the key ways to actually make money on YouTube, or the key ways to actually grow on YouTube, I'm still going to be talking on this right now, but let's talk about how you can actually start making money for yourself. First of all, you need to actually hit the requirements, the YouTube requirements. That is for the YPP, which is the YouTube Partner Program, which is actually 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 of watch hour, 4,000 of watch hour, and literally watching the videos 4,000 times 1 hour. Like literally, it's not really it's not easy, guys. So it's actually, that's the requirement, and that's how you can actually get into the YouTube Partner Program, when you actually get 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hour. So after that, guys, you would actually the YouTube are going to be sending you an email telling you, okay, you've reached the criteria, you've reached the requirements, and then you actually fill in your info, join the YouTube Partner Program, and you will actually be reviewed. Your channel will be reviewed, and it will actually be approved if you do it well, to be approved into the YouTube Partner Program, and adverts will actually be popping out. So how do you actually make money using these adverts? These adverts are going to be popping out. It depends on how you actually put the adverts in your video, not beginning and the end, beginning, middle, so on and so forth, depending on how you actually do it, and you start getting paid directly through AdSense. Now from AdSense, you can actually withdraw to your local bank account, then your domiciliary account, or any account which you want to actually withdraw. And then that will actually lead us to the next one. Even without being monetized on AdSense, how you actually make money? How can you make money, on YouTube? Now, this is the second method, which is actually promotions. Now, companies or brands, entities will actually reach out to you, and that is if you actually meet up with, maybe you're actually in their niche, and they will actually reach out to you. Hey bro, promote my products for me, promote my company, promote my platform for me, and you literally promote it and you get paid. But literally, it's actually very, 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 very cool if you can actually do it, and if you can actually negotiate and get companies that would actually pay you for your work, literally, not just pay you some little cash there and tell you to make videos for them. It's not really easy, guys. And, yeah. So that's the second one on my list, and the third one on my list is actually product review. Now there's actually product review channels, literally, like Fisayo for Sudo is actually reviewing tech and tech channels, so on and so forth. Fisayo for Sudo, Easy Boy, my friend Hugo Sing Coach, a whole lot, guys. So you can actually do that, and you make money for yourself, literally. So that's it. And you review products, you companies can actually send in the product to you. Maybe they can actually pay you, or they just dash you the products, then you review it for them and you publish the video on your channel public. Yeah, make money for yourself. So that's it, guys. And yeah, so that's the third one under YouTube. How you can actually make money under YouTube, the third method. Now the fourth method on my list is actually affiliate marketing. Now, first of all, I will actually break down what affiliate marketing is to you if you don't know what affiliate marketing is. Now, affiliate marketing is actually selling other people's product, or or a service to get a commission or cut of that particular sale out for yourself. So literally for yourself. So you can actually go to an affiliate programs or affiliate platforms, and start promoting and making cool cash for yourself using the affiliate programs. And what are affiliate programs you should actually promote? There's actually on seller.co. You can go to seller.co. You can go to Jumia affiliate. Just search for Jumia affiliate, and then you can go to stake cuts. Yeah, and start making. So these are, you can go to JVZoo if you can actually go, if your country is actually eligible to actually apply. You can go to JVZoo and promote, and that's it, guys. So after that, that would actually lead us to the actual after affiliate marketing is actually partnerships. Now, how you can actually make money using these partnerships will actually help you to actually broaden your channel and make your videos go viral, and also make your brand actually grow bigger. Yes, guys. So you can actually reach out to like other YouTubers, even in your niche or out of your niche, but it's very, very profitable and very, very cool if you actually go to YouTubers that are in your niche. So you can actually reach out to them. Oh, bro, let's actually collaborate. Let's do some collabs, and you can actually reach out to bigger YouTubers also, and or smaller. I don't know. It depends on what you want to do. It depends on if you want to actually do that, and you can reach out to them, and yeah, your brand will actually grow more. I promise. So guys, that would actually lead us to the second method apart from YouTube. Now we've actually broken down a whole lot of methods here. As you can see here, there's actually promotions, there's AdSense, there's product review, there's affiliate marketing, and there's partnerships for you to actually grow your YouTube channel. So after that, you can actually reach out, or you can actually make money, using this second method, which is actually called dropshipping. Now dropshipping is actually selling other people's products, selling other people's product, even without touching it. Like, you just go to an online store right now, you just apply for either even if you don't apply for the affiliate program, you can just go to the store, create your own store. Literally, yeah, if you want to actually start dropshipping, you should actually create your brand, either your store or your brand, on any social media handle, or even on all social media handles, across all social media handles. After that, you can actually pick up the pictures of those stuffs, and you just put it for a higher price on your own brand. After that, maybe anyone that actually needs it would actually make payments, and then you pay the real owner of that product, and then you ship it to the person, that the customer that has actually paid for it. So that's it. You make your cool cash for yourself, even without capital. Now, if you say you can actually make money without capital, it's actually very, very true. But you should actually build a brand first, start from the scratch, and you make cool cash for yourself. So that's the second one on my list. The third method in 2023 and above, how you can actually make money using, is actually called courses. Like, literally, there are a whole lot of things like you and I can actually do, even online and offline. Why don't you actually create a course, or create a video about it, create a PDF, create anything, create any kind of file, and you just combine just make it a course, literally, and sell it off. Sell it on. You organize the course, you create the course, you organize it, and then you sell it literally to people, and you start making cool cash. So you can actually sell it on seller.co. You can sell it on Udemy, and you can sell it literally personally, like meeting someone one-on-one, or maybe on social handles or social media, so on and so forth, and you make cool cash for yourself. Now, depending on the person's demand, you can actually do that, and you make money for yourself. So that's the third method on my list. The fourth one on my list is no other one but affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, I've actually talked about it on this channel now, or even on this video. Literally, back then when I talked about YouTube, they can actually use affiliate marketing on your YouTube channel. Right now, I want to actually talk about affiliate marketing as a whole. So literally, if you didn't hear what affiliate marketing is earlier on, I said affiliate marketing is actually selling other people's products to get a commission or cut out of that particular sale Now, literally, that's it. You just pick up the affiliate links, send it off, and you make your money for yourself. You just recommend the product to other people. You make cool cash for yourself. So literally, you can actually do start out affiliate marketing on seller.co, stake codes and JVZoo, different platforms, and then you could make cool cash. Affiliates, Amazon affiliates, and yeah, you can make money for yourself. Literally, affiliate marketing is actually a very very cool way for you to actually make money on the online space. Yes, guys. So the last but not the least is actually called high impact video editing, or let's just say video editing. But if you actually make it an high impact stuff, you can actually do that and make more money for yourself. So high impact video editing, as I said, is actually literally you can go to YouTube, you can go to Facebook, TikTok, just search for how you can actually edit videos for free. If you want to actually start with your phone, you can actually say how to edit your videos, how to edit videos for free on maybe on your mobile phone. If you want to start with your PC, if you have a PC, it's cool. If you have a computer, if you have an iPad, anything is actually cool. If you have an iPhone and Android, anything is actually cool. Just search for it on the online space, or go on YouTube also where you're watching me. YouTube is actually a learning space for you to actually make cool cash for yourself. So literally just jump there and then you start making money for yourself. You cannot, if you don't want to actually go to the free plans, and you can buy courses, video editing courses, like how you can actually edit videos, maybe, and then you specify that with your phone or your PC, and anyone just buy courses, and then it's actually very 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 profitable. You can actually sell, then you just sell the services. You can sell the services on Fiverr. I've talked about Fiverr very very well, like freelancing. You can sell your services on your video editing services on Fiverr. You can sell video editing services on Upwork, freelancer.com, a whole lot of platforms, even on social handles like Facebook, literally even on YouTube. Yeah, you can advertise yourself on YouTube, and then TikTok, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Twitter ads, and so on. You can make money for yourself. So literally that's it. And you can actually use it as a personal use. Maybe if you're a content creator, you can start being a content creator and you can start getting paid as a content creator. So that's it, guys. And I don't want this video to be that long. I'm sure this video is already getting long. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope you actually learned something. Please don't forget to actually join the channel, join this family, join this loving family by actually hitting the like button, subscribing. Just click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you can get notified by YouTube whenever a new money making video is being published to this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.